who said that you had to pay, in order to get top tier traffic, tier 1 traffic? Who said it? Who said you had to buy solo ads to be able to get tier 1 traffic? Well, guys, check this out. This is amazing. It's an absolute update right now at Social Prospector Pro, guys. When you pick up the tool at the first link in the description, we actually have a new feature where you actually can get tier 1 traffic. That's top tier 1 traffic for free, baby. Okay, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get it. Now, for those of you who are like, well, what's tier 1 traffic? Why do I even need that? Well, tier 1 traffic is basically leads, right, from places that are like in the top 5 countries. Well, in this case, we're talking about United States, okay? Meaning you're going to be able to get other people to see your business opportunity, to see what you have going on Facebook, right, that only live in the United States. Now, before you say, well, why do I even care about that? Like, why is that, even a thing? Because there are plenty of business opportunities, right, that are strongest. Either they're not available in other countries or they're stronger in the United States, which means, that especially if you have a high ticket opportunity, right? If you have high ticket opportunities, with the way the exchange rate is, like, $1,000 over in the United States, maybe like, $10,000 in other countries. So sometimes, other countries, they're not really able to afford some of your high ticket opportunities. Okay. So if you already know that and you're like, well, man, I really want to be able to really hone in and target people who really can afford what I have to offer, and then you definitely want to be looking at the top countries, and the United States is top on that list when it comes to the buying power of these business opportunities and products that you have. Okay. So for that reason, when you're looking for your friends on Facebook, right, because you're using your Facebook for your business, right, to get the word out about your business, then that means you want to find the people who definitely have the buying power and the disposable income to be able to lock arms with you in business. So yes, being able to filter out is huge. Before that, pretty much we had to rely on like solo ads or some type of paid traffic, right, to be able to filter stuff out. But now with Social Prospector Pro, when you get it at the first link in the description, we got all the power to do this, guys. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, I'm Coach D, okay? And I'm all about the 3 M's of entrepreneurship. That is the mindset, marketing, and multiple streams of income. And what I do is I bring you the tips, the tricks, the tools to get the job done. Because I know at the end of the day, you want to increase in your business and you want to make more money online, all right? And you don't want this thing taking you like 10 years, right? So if you're feeling what I'm putting out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe, right? You know what I mean? And hit that alert right next to it, a little bell, like a ding-a-ding-a-ding. And ring that bell so you can be alerted the next time I come with some content. Guys, and you want to watch this all the way through, because check this out. At the end, I got some cool bonuses for you. So follow this all the way to the end, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use Social Prospector Pro to get tier 1 traffic. Let's go ahead. Rock out. So let me go ahead and show you how to get this tier 1 traffic for free, baby, using the Social Prospector Pro. All right, so you come here to the tool, right? You're inside of your Social Prospector Pro tool, and I might be already logged in. Let me just check. I think I am. Yeah. All right. So if you're not logged in, go ahead and log in to your Facebook. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the post friender. Okay, where it says post friender. All right. And now what we have the ability to do is, when you're going to request friends, and we're using a strategy of going to other high performing posts, Facebook posts, right? And from requesting people off of that post, well, now you can actually filter out people who are not in the United States. So, basically you can get people who are only in the United States, people who have, put on Facebook as far as their profile that said they're in the United States. This, guys, I've never seen a tool that allows you to filter like this. As a matter of fact, there isn't another tool as of the recording of this video right here that I know of that allows you to filter it. Because a lot of times, you go in and you're friend requesting people, right? And you wind up getting like tons and tons of people, who are in other countries. And before you say, well, Dee, what's wrong with people in other countries? Nothing. But if you have a business opportunity, right, that is not available in other countries, right? It's a business opportunity is not available outside of the United States, right? Then you want people who can actually buy your products, right? You want people who can actually benefit from your products and your business opportunity. That's just it. It's just straight business, right? So this feature right here alone is really probably going to hurt some of these solo ad providers out there, right? Because this is a way to get it for free. So you come in here and you hit this checkbox right here. It says only friend request people who live in the United States. Now this is optional, but in this case, we're going to use this option. All right. So we go ahead and click it, then hit right here where it says open Facebook window. All right, it's going to open a Facebook window. All right, and for this case, I'm going to just go ahead and make it a larger window. Now, keep in mind, of course, when you're using Social Prospector Pro, that you don't want to be multitasking in a Facebook browser, which means while this tool is running, right, you don't want to be like open up another window and get on Facebook while the tool is running. That's just going to clash and kind of cause some wacky stuff with the tool. So don't do that. All right, but you can go in another browser and be doing something else like emails or anything else you want to do, as long as it's not on Facebook. You feel me? All right, so anyway, so let's go here and let's go ahead and find a particular post that we want to start, friend requesting people off of. So let's go ahead and look for one. All right, so in this example, I'm going to actually go inside of a group that I'm a part of that is pretty active. I'm going to use the post friender inside of a group. All right, so let's go in this group. And let me go ahead and look for a particular post that is getting, you want to look for one that is getting good engagement, and it's a post that looks like something that you would post, that your audience would be, would be intrigued by, would, respond to. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Especially like in our industry with the make money online industry, finding posts that have like tips, that people are giving away tips. People really like that type of stuff. So let's see what we got. All right, so here's a post right here. This one is like a quote, right? So motivational quote, and you can find any post that you feel resonate with your particular audience. I know quotes, for mindset resonate with my audience. I know, tips resonate with my audience. So I'll just choose this one right here for this demonstration. So you're gonna come to the actual post and you're looking to make sure it has a good amount of engagement. Like this has 36 reactions. That's what you look for, the reactions, and you'll see it has like this orange rectangle around those names, right? So you go ahead and hover over it, click it. All right, and now these are all the people that you have the ability to friend request. All right, but remember, the tool is only going to friend request people who have said that they live inside of the United States, okay? Because this is that tier 1 traffic filter. All right, and then the other thing that we're going to do is the tool actually allows you to click this box where it says mutual friends only right here. You can click that box, and what that's going to do is, how like when you're friend requesting people, and if you don't have friends in common with them, then Facebook could give you an alert, a pop-up, and like, hey, do you know this person? All right, so if you don't want Facebook to slap you over the hand, with that pop-up, go ahead and click that little box right there. So that means that the tool is only going to friend request people who you have mutual friends in common. You have at least one mutual friend. All right, it's just another way to safeguard your account even further. All right, so we click that, we check that box, then we just hit start. All right, and once we hit start, the tool will begin to go. All right, and you see down here it says sending friend request 1 out of 26 is basically going through and sending the friend request to those particular people who, for one, they have at least a mutual friend, right? And number two, that at least on their Facebook profile, they put that they're in the USA only. So this is the top tier 1 traffic for free. All right, and you'll notice the tool as it's running right here, you'll notice when it gets like to this red outline rectangle, that's letting you know that, hey, they're checking that one, but they didn't find that one met the qualifications, which means either that person, you don't have mutual friends in common, or it could be that person lives outside of the United States based on what they put in their Facebook profile. So guys, this is going to help you be able to get that top tier traffic, that tier 1 traffic for free when you use the Social Prospector Pro. So you guys can see why I'm super excited about using this tool, and I know that once you pick it up in the first link in the description, you'll be super excited as well. All right, definitely don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and guys, you want to, don't leave yet, okay, because I do have some cool bonuses for you. So let's go ahead and check out these bonuses, baby. All right, so you already know I got some bonuses for you. Okay, so when you pick up Social Prospector Pro with the first link in the description, with my link, you're going to get some cool bonuses, all right? Now, first, you're going to get access to my Facebook group where I give even more tips and tricks on marketing so you can, start getting some more leads into your network marketing business, all right? That has a $297 value to gain access to that Facebook group. You're going to get that as a bonus when you go ahead and grab Social Prospector Pro with my link at the bottom or in the top, the first link in the description. All right. Number 2, a DMO, which stands for Daily Method of Operation. All right. That's going to let you know, the tasks that you can take each day in your network marketing business to build it and grow it. And of course, you'll be able to use Social Prospector Pro along with some of the tasks inside of that Daily Method of Operation to really go ahead and boost your business. All right. And that has a $197 value, but you're going to get that as a free bonus when you decide to join me in Social Prospector Pro and pick up the tool, with the link in the description. Number 3, how I use Social Prospector Pro to boost sales. All right. Yes. Y'all already know I am a strategy type person, right? I love strategy, okay? So, as I already have some strategies already put together for you guys, all right, you're going to be able to get access to those so you can see some different ways. So no matter, what business you're in, what particular industry you're in, what product you're promoting, you're going to be able to take advantage of those different strategies that I'm going to release to you guys, right, to allow you to be able to start boosting sales in your particular network marketing business. So you definitely want that. That's a $497 value. Now, number 4, you can use my bonuses as if they were your own, which means if you want to go ahead and get someone to sign up with Social Prospector Pro, through your link, and you want to be able to offer someone some added value, you can do that, okay? I'm giving you that permission. You'll be able to, let me know if they signed up and all this good stuff, all right? They'll be able to get access to the same bonuses. So basically, you can say, hey, John, go ahead and pick up Social Prospector Pro with my link, and I got some cool bonuses for you, okay? And you don't have to worry about creating all these bonuses yourself, all right? I got you covered, baby. So that brings us to a total value of $1,188. You're going to get the Facebook group for $297 value, the DMO for $197 value, the training on how I use Social Prospector Pro to boost sales at $497 value, and you'll be able to use my bonuses as your own at $197 value, which brings us to a total of $1,188 value. That's the bonus value once you go ahead and pick up Social Prospector Pro with my link and go ahead and start using that tool today, baby. First link in the description. Go ahead and crush out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button. All right, and